Have you ever wanted to use the latest Claude, ChatGPT, and Gemini models without paying for a subscription? Well, there's a way to access several premium AI models through GitLab's free trial program. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I got access, how the approval process works, and we'll even test one of the most powerful models available by building a real game from scratch. Make sure you watch until the end because there's an important approval step that many people misunderstand and end up giving up on too early. Before we start, let me quickly show you what you'll get if your trial is approved. GitLab's Duo Agent platform gives access to multiple advanced AI models, including Claude models from Anthropic, ChatGPT models, Gemini models, and various AI powered coding features. Instead of subscribing to multiple services separately, you can access different models from one platform during your trial period. The first step is creating a GitLab account. Visit the GitLab website and click on the free trial option. You can sign up using your Google account or create an account manually with your email address. After registration, GitLab will send a verification code to your email inbox. Open the email, copy the verification code, and complete the verification process so your account can be activated. Once your account is verified, GitLab will ask you a few onboarding questions. These questions typically include your role, who will be using the platform, your reason for joining, and other basic information. There's no special trick here. Simply choose the options that best match your actual situation and continue through the setup process. After completing all the questions, click the button to continue to GitLab. When you arrive inside GitLab, look for the GitLab Duo Agent platform and select the option to start your free trial. This is where many people become confused. In some cases, GitLab may display a message saying that you don't currently have access to the trial. If this happens to you, don't worry because this doesn't necessarily mean you've been rejected. In my case, I wasn't granted access immediately. After requesting the trial, I simply waited and checked back later. About 4 days after submitting my request, I logged in again and discovered that my trial had been approved. Since I checked several days later, I noticed that my remaining trial period showed 26 days instead of the full 30. So if you don't receive instant approval, be patient and check your account periodically over the next few days. Once your trial is approved, you'll gain access to the GitLab Duo Agent platform. From there, you can choose between different AI models depending on your needs. You'll find Claude models, ChatGPT models, Gemini models, and other available options. Having multiple models in one place makes it easy to compare responses and choose the best AI for your particular task. To see how well it works, let's run a real test using Claude Opus 4.8. I'll select the model and ask it to create a simple browser game using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. After submitting the prompt, we'll give the model a little time to generate the code. Depending on the complexity of your request, generation may take a few moments. The code is ready. Now let's test it. I'll create a new HTML file, paste the generated code into the file, save it, and open it in my browser. As you can see, the game loads successfully and works exactly as expected. This demonstrates that the model is capable of generating functional code that can be used for real projects, prototypes, and learning purposes. And that's how you can potentially gain access to Claude Opus 4.8, ChatGPT models, Gemini models, and other advanced AI tools through GitLab's free trial program. The process is straightforward. Create an account, verify your email, complete the onboarding questions, request access to the GitLab Duo Agent platform, and wait for approval if necessary. Once approved, you can start exploring the available models and put them to work on your own projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more AI tools, coding tutorials, and technology guides. I'd also love to hear about your experience. So let me know in the comments how long your approval took and which AI model you decided to try first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.